Hello again, everybody. Mouse in the Falls here. I know it's been a while since I posted anything, but that's what happens when you get 3 feet of snow over a couple of months. Then the weather goes to crap on you before you can work on things. Once again, the infamous Buggy. It's my idea for the gas tanks. I just gotta figure out where I'm gonna put them, get things hooked up. I have the motor installed currently, but I've had a change in plans. This golf cart rear end might be coming out really soon, because I finally acquired the means to make this thing 4-wheel drive. Right here is the full drivetrain for the Polaris Sportsman 500 ATV. Got the gear case here, which is a posi differential. I say posi because there is no give between this side and the other. It all turns at one rate. There's drivetrain input. I got one lever for high and low, and the other lever is forward, neutral, and reverse. I have to shift it into neutral to get the low range, which is forward gears only. That shaft right there goes up to the front differential. There's the front hubs. I think they're electronic for engagement and staying locked in, because there is a wire that comes out of here. Other than that, they kind of stick on their own like a magnet would. There's the front differential. There is no give in it either, so it's posi as well. This other shaft right here runs from the transmission up to the front. I will have to get that remade because my Buggy is a lot longer than that shaft is. I need about 2.5 more of them shafts that go in the center to make this work. Here's one of the rear hubs. This one don't get a brake on it, but that's okay. I'll have to make an adapter to go from this spacing to the wheels that I have on the back of the Buggy. I need to get the brake caliper for this side on the rear. I found the A-arms on eBay for a very decent price to do this. There's the other hubs. Let's see. Demand drive. So, in a sense, all of this will fit the width of the Buggy the way it is now. If anything, the front end will be just as wide as the rear, which is fine. It'll bring the tires out to the edge of the plow. So if we look at it now, well, you can see the difference there on how things line up. So when this is done, you look at the spacing of where the tire is to that little piece of round concrete, and I'll be picking up that much more width on the front on both sides. So, just a little update as to what's going on. I've been working hard as well. The money coming in, dealing with the weather. Excuse the EMS as they go by. I still have to build a cage to put on top of this thing. Get the rest of the lights put on, hooked up, turn signals, reverse lamps, mirrors, windshield wiper. Everything necessary to make it street legal. So for now, this is the way it's going to sit until I can get into a better position to start working on it. I'm also looking at purchasing a property with a house, so I'll have more room to work on this and have it inside so I can work on it even more, because the place will have a garage. Don't know when the next update will be out, but be patient. I'm working on stuff. The potential I wanted to do with this is going to happen. Street legal, 4-wheel drive, and ready for the snow at the end of this year. So, have a good one out there. Stay safe. Get your kids involved in your projects. Mouse in the Falls, signing off again for now.